In this video, I'm going to point out a suggestion for a handrail for this type of stairway. This is basically something that one of our viewers was having a problem with, and basically creating a doorstop for the door. So if I zoom in, I think I got a picture of it here. You can see right here, there's a spot on the door that is hitting the handrail. It's basically acting as a doorstop. And I can see right here that the door isn't going to fully open. It's never going to fully open again because somebody put the handrail in the way. And I see stuff like this all the time. And I'm not about to suggest that it's inexperience. Because of local zoning or property line measurements, building can't come out any farther. Then you wouldn't be able to extend the wall and then just have a straight handrail here. However, if you could extend the wall, you could extend it on both sides or extend it and then use this method here for your handrail. And of course, at the top of a stairway like this, we're going to have a landing and a door entrance into the building, along with an easier way to create a safer handrailing system. Something that's going to be easier to install, easier to build, and easier for the people who use the stairway to use. And if you don't like that idea, you could always install something like this. Remember, most of the time we only need a grippable handrail on one side of the stairway. And if you remember in the picture before, the handrail came down over here. Who's going to walk up the edge here and fumble around with the steps right here and then turn and walk up? And I get it, if you have to, you still have a safety problem right here. You don't have a safe place for someone to turn and walk up the stairway. Where with this situation right here, you're just simply going to start here and walk up the stairway. And if you need to direct traffic, you don't want people coming up this side here, then you could always install some type of an obstacle, plants, potted plants, or something that might even be installed permanently that you won't be able to move for the purpose of redirecting traffic more towards the center of the stairway, and try to avoid the sections of the stairway that might not be safe. And this probably won't need a guardrail on each side because we're not over 30 inches in height. However, you would need to check with your local building department to verify whether or not you could use any of these methods I mentioned in this video.